I wish I could swoop you into my wings, but I'm just a songbird outside your window. And I wish I could come inside and sit on your table, just spend the morning talking and laughing. I'm saying at the top of my lungs, trying to get through, but you never understand me, so I sit here and sing songs for you. And I wish you would climb up this old maple tree. I wouldn't fly away like the other birds would do. And I wish you'd sit here among the branches and leaves, just spend the morning talking and laughing. I'm saying at the top of my lungs, trying to get through, but you never understand me, so I sit here and sing songs for you. And I wish I could swoop you into my wings, but I'm just a songbird trapped beyond your window. And I wish I could speak in whatever language you do, just spend the morning talking and laughing. Saying at the top of my lungs, trying to get through, but you never understand me, so I sit here and sing songs for you. I'll sing all the oohs and ahs that you'd like me to, 'cause the oohs and ahs are the only way that I can say I love you.